Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In the previous class, we learned the lesson Partho the Park Keeper. Today, we are going to do the book exercise of this lesson. Children, now all of you take page number 26 in your English Gulmohar book. The first exercise is understanding the story. Answer these questions. Why was the park closed once a year? Children, do you know the answer?
The park was closed once a year so that Partho and his team could clean the park.
Very good, children. Next one. Cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. You are going to read all these sentences and cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. First one is picked up the litter. This is the correct one. Next one, pulled out the weeds in the flower beds. This is also the work done by them. Plucked all the flowers. No, they did not pluck any flowers. Cut down the trees. Did they cut any trees in the park? No, they did not cut the trees. So this is wrong sentence. So you put wrong for plucked all the flowers and cut down the trees. Next, cleaned the swing. Yes, this is also correct one. Did Partho and his team put up a notice saying wet paint? How do you know?
Partho and his team did not put up a notice saying wet paint before sitting on the benches. This line from the story tells us this. We should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down.
Very good, children. The next exercise, read these and answer the questions. People should throw rubbish only in the bins. Children, do you agree with Partho? Why?
Yes, we should throw rubbish only in the bins. This keeps our parks clean.
Very good, children. Next question. Was Partho a good park keeper?
Yes, he did his job well.
Very good. Next one. Do you pick up litter when you play in a park?
Yes, I pick up litter when I play in a park.
The next one. The children will be so happy. Who told this? Partho. Why would the children be happy?
The children would be happy because Partho and his team had cleaned the swings, seesaws and slides. They had also fixed the broken merry-go-round.
Very good, children. Next question. Do you think Partho liked children?
Yes, Partho liked children.
What games do you play when you go to the park?
I play in the swing, seesaw and in the merry-go-round.
The next exercise is number these sentences in a correct order to sum up the story. They have given the jumbled sentences. You are going to arrange the sentence in the correct order. First one they have given. The beginning of the lesson is Partho was a park keeper. Which is the next sentence?
He worked with a team of 5 people.
Very good, children. Put number 2 here. Next, which is the correct sentence?
The park was closed once a year for cleaning.
So put number 3 straight to the first sentence. Which sentence comes after that?
This year the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning.
Very good, children. So put number 4 straight to the sentence. The next one, which is the correct sentence?
During this time, Partha and his team put the litter in bins.
Very good. So put number 5 here. What comes after this?
They also trimmed the grass and painted the benches.
Very good. So put number 6 straight to the sentence. Next, what happened?
But they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches.
So put number 7 straight to the sentence. What happened at last?
So when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them.
So put number 8 straight to the sentence. The next one, join the correct parts to write the sentences. Partho is, which is the correct part of this sentence? Very good. Partho is a park keeper. So put number 1 here. Next, his job is, which is the correct one? Very good. To keep the park clean. So put number 2 here. Third one, he loves, which is the correct answer? His job. Very good. So put number 3 here. Next one, he wants children work very hard or to enjoy the park. Very good. To enjoy the park. So put number 4 here. Then he and his team. Very good. Fifth one is work very hard. Children, I hope you all have understood the book exercise of this lesson. Shall we meet in the next class? Bye.